I found a simple natural remedy that actually eliminates bad breath for good, and it works every single time. Did you know that nearly 50% of adults suffer from bad breath at some point in their lives? Yeah, you heard that right. That's a staggering number, and it's time we talk about how to tackle this issue naturally. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us, but often doesn't get enough attention: bad breath. Whether it's that awkward moment in a conversation, or just feeling self-conscious, bad breath can really impact our daily lives. But don't worry, I'm here to share some natural solutions that can help you keep your breath fresh and confident. So let's get real for a second. What causes bad breath anyway? Well, poor oral hygiene is one of the biggest culprits. If you're not brushing and flossing regularly, food particles can linger and bacteria will thrive. Yikes! But it's not just that. Your diet plays a massive role too. Foods like garlic and onions can leave a lasting impression on your breath. Plus, certain health issues like dry mouth, sinus infections, or even some digestive problems can contribute to that less than fresh feeling. So, it's important to understand these common causes because tackling the root of the problem is the first step towards freshening things up. Now let's explore some natural remedies that can help combat bad breath. Don't worry. Here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.